Hello, this is the submission for Lab 1 Uninformed Search for Comp 380 AB1. My name is Nikita Igorov, and in this assignment we were asked to create two search graphs, one with a cycle, one without a cycle, and then run both depth first and breadth first searches on them. So we will start with the graph without a cycle. As you can see, this is the graph. It has 7 nodes. The starting node is node 0 and the goal node is node 6. So these are the predictions for breadth first and depth first searches. As you can see, I expect both of the searches to be able to find the goal. So if we go ahead and we run depth first search, we could see that it would explore this path all the way down to node 4, then go to node 5 and find the goal. This is a bit different from what I have. What I predicted was that from node 0, it would go down to node 5, as it is the leftmost node, you could say. And then node 3, node 6. But it took a detour. It went to node 1 and node 4 before going to node 5. So this probably has something to do with the way depth first search is implemented in AISpace, which I am not familiar with. I tried checking their documentation, but was not able to find anything. And if we go to breadth first search, these are the predicted, this is the predicted order of nodes. We could see that it would check every node at a depth before moving to the next depth, and eventually it finds the goal. Once again, there may be some differences with this and the search algorithm, like maybe 2 before 3 is visited. But that is implementation specific. Depth-wise, this prediction is correct. Yeah. And then we could go to the graph with a cycle. So as you can see, from node 3 to node 4, node 4 to node 5, and from 5 back to node 3. So for this graph, I predict that depth first search will not be able to find the goal, as it will be stuck in this loop forever, while breadth first will still be able to find it. So we can move this over here, and actually, there we go. And then we'll run depth first search. So as you can see, it does go down to node 3, and it will be stuck in this cycle forever. So we can auto search to make sure that it doesn't halt or anything. It just goes on forever. And then if we run breadth first search, this will actually be able to find the goal. And there you go. The goal node is reached. So that is the end of the assignment. I think I've familiarized myself with AISpace quite well. I made this thing to sort of check where depth first search will go. So as you can see, we have a starting node and then just a bunch of nodes that are coming out of it. And you can see they're labeled in the order that they are created. So if we actually run depth first search on it, you see that it explores nodes in this pattern, which I'm not sure how that works, but maybe that is some insight into the issue. Anyways, thank you.